Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you about this really fun experience that I had here in Italy, and that is making homemade pasta with my Italian family. The pasta that we made is called peachy, and it is so good. Like, trying it was, I just can't believe it. Like, I still, I've been in Italy for over 2 months now. 2 months and 3 days, actually, to be precise. And I just am baffled all the time by how amazing this life is here. Even in quarantine, I had an awesome day spending time with my girls and making peachy with my Italian family. We had a cake because today is Father's Day in Italy, and it's just been a positive time in a very negative situation. I just wanted to talk to you about the process of the peachy because I know that my dad, at least, and some friends back home would be interested in knowing how Italians go about making pasta. So I will put the recipe in the information box below and explain right now how we did it. So it literally, once you mix all the ingredients and create the dough, it takes probably an hour to roll all of the peachy into noodle form, but you don't want it to be too thin, you don't want it to be too thick, because if it's too thin, then it'll break and it'll dissolve and just be pretty much nothing. If it's too thick, then I guess it won't cook all the way. So it has to be the perfect size, and you can either roll it on a surface, or you can roll it between your hands. And I think all three of the girls who were actually making pasta in this video all agreed that rolling it with your hands is the easiest way. My hands even started to get red because of the friction, but Petra and Elisabetta didn't have any problems with that because they are, shall we say, seasoned peachy makers. So once all the peachy is rolled and organized well, then you boil it for 10 minutes, take it out, and it's ready. All you do is add the toppings, and the 3 custom toppings of Italy are the truffle oil on top, tomato sauce, and breadcrumbs. So that was very different of all 3 that I've had. I had never had breadcrumbs. It was literally breadcrumbs on pasta, and that's, seasoning too, but I don't know, it's just the most different type of pasta that I had ever had. But it was so good. I highly, highly recommend trying this recipe out, and whenever I go home, I'm going to plan on making peachy with my family. I even bought truffle oil while I was here in Italy, so we're gonna use that, and we're gonna make it as authentic as humanly possible. So I'm very excited. I feel very fortunate to have my host family, and the host family that I have, honestly, is just amazing, and I really lucked out in getting them. It's been rumored that it's gonna get harder and harder for US citizens to go home, so I might end up staying in Italy a lot longer than I originally thought. I might end up being here till May, maybe even June. I have no clue, but we'll see. At this point, I've learned to just go with the flow. So, yeah. Well, that's it for this video today. It's kind of a shorter one, but still relevant. It was on my bucket list to make pasta in Italy, and so I can check that one off. Even though we're in quarantine, we're still doing bucket list things, so that's a plus. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Be sure to like this video if you want to see more videos like this. comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!